ये तो जामिया नगर से है, जामिया से है, जिहादी है। उन्होंने रिपीटेडली दे कॉल्ड अस, मुसलमान है, जिहादी है। और उसके बाद दे सेड कि मैंने कहा कि भाई प्रेस कार्ड देख लो, सी माई प्रेस कार्ड। दे वर लाइक इट डजंट, मतलब कि ये मैटर ही नहीं करता है, ये मुसलमान है। इस गाय व्हेन ही वाज सीइंग माय प्रेस कार्ड, वो बोला कि भाई क्यों देख रहे हो, इनको तो मार दो, इनको मार दो, बीट देम अप। सो दे हिट अ पुलिस पर्सनल। Then this right wing वाला person goes to the front side of the car, वहाँ a police personnel is there in uniform, he tells him इनको लेके जाओ, कार्रवाई करो, हम पीछे से आते हैं। And the police person didn't say anything. I went to Buradi ground in Delhi to cover this Hindu Mahapanchayat. A Hindu Mahapanchayat was called by this organization called Save India Foundation on 3rd, yesterday, that means yesterday at 10 a.m. So I went there to cover that thing for Article 14. I was there as a press representative for Article 14. So I had gone there, and there were other journalists as well. So these people, these are the same people who, like earlier in August, held another hate assembly at Jantar Mantar, and they were later arrested and released after 8 days, after 20 days. So they had called for a similar panchayat yesterday. So it was normal, I was just covering it. They were making hate speeches, they were making misogynist comments, ठीक है, महिलाओं के प्रति बहुत घटिया बहुत गंदी गंदी चीज़ें बोल रहे थे स्टेज से। नरसिंहानंद गिरी वॉज देयर, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम हिम सुरेश चौहान के फ्रॉम सुदर्शन न्यूज़, ही वॉज देयर। प्रीत वॉज देयर, ही इज़ द लीडर ऑफ सेव इंडिया फाउंडेशन। पिंकी चौधरी, ही वॉज देयर। सो दीज पीपल वर देयर ऑन द स्टेज, and I mean there were around, I think 700-800 people there, from right wing organizations and normal like people who had gathered there. So at around 1 p.m. I was doing an individual interview एक बंदे का, and उस time this guy Pinky Chaudhary, he gets up on stage and he मतलब announces ऐसे कि जो भी मीडिया कर्मी हैं वो आगे आ जाइए, और आप किसी से इंडिविजुअली बात मत कीजिए, और अगर करेंगे तो वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी पे होगा। अगर हमारे किसी भी इंसान ने चेक किया उसका हम कुछ वो नहीं लेंगे, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेंगे। बेसिकली वो सेइंग कि ही इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल, दे आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनीथिंग दैट हैपन्स टू अस एट देयर प्रोग्राम। So as soon as he said that, he said this 2-3 times. As soon as he said that, 2-3 people, they pointed towards me and Mir Faisal. He's a multimedia journalist with the Hindustan Gazette. So they pointed towards us. Mir was sitting on a chair 2-3 yards from me, and they then came to us. They first asked Mir कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तो उसने बोला कि Mir Faisal. Then they asked him for his press ID. After that they came to me, then they asked me तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, मैंने बोला अरबाब अली। तो as soon as they heard it, they made this weird सा expression on their face, they had this weird expression on their face, and मतलब and he said, one of the guys said, ये दोनों मुसलमान हैं, ये दोनों ही मुसलमान हैं। Then he asked me for my press ID. I was about to show him my letter that I got from Article 14. I was about to show it to him in my phone, and they snatched my phone. They snatched Mir's camera, and they told us कि forcefully कि यहाँ बैठो चुपचाप, यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जाओगे। There were 8-9 other people, right wingers ही थे, shawls पहन रखे थे भगवा रंग के, and उनको बोला कि like इनको कहीं जाने मत देना, इनको यहीं बिठा के रखना है। All this was happening, and just 50 yards away there were police personnel, paramilitary वाले भी थे, like 40-50 people were there from police and paramilitary. They were sitting on chairs, they were seeing all this, they were seeing everything, but they didn't budge. तो उसके बाद later 20 मिनट तक हमें बिठाया. Then we heard this noise, this announcement. Basically part of a speech from the stage. It was coming from the stage, and this guy, I think it was Preet, he was saying, शिवांगी मैडम ये हेट स्पीच है क्या, इस तरीके से. सो शी, आई थिंक शी इज़ अ जर्नलिस्ट फ्रॉम न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री, तो उनकी तरफ करते हुए, एंड एज सुन एज ही सेड दैट, अ ग्रुप ऑफ 15-20 पीपल, दिस मीर को उन्होंने पूरा घेर लिया, and they also, and another group of people, they surrounded me, so we both were surrounded, and they were like, इनके फ़ोन दो, इनके वीडियोस क्या बनाई हैं इन लोगों ने वो दिखाओ, ये लोग हमें गलत उससे पोर्ट्रे कर देंगे, ये करेंगे. सो दे मेड मी ओपन माई, रिमूव द पासवर्ड, एंड फिर दे वेंट इनटू माई गैलरी, दे स्टार्टेड डिलीटिंग स्टफ, दे परमानेंटली डिलीटेड स्टफ. Basically it was, I mean, I had videos where they were making hate speeches, where they were giving hate statements against Muslims, against women. So I had captured all that. So basically they wanted ki they erased their criminality. That is what they did. From they erased the evidence.
Can you recall one of those lines what they were saying in their speeches?
Like वो वही था कि क्या बोलते हैं, हिंदू को एक होना पड़ेगा मुसलमान के खिलाफ, ये सारी चीज़ें ही वो बोल रहे थे, कि मतलब इसी तरीके की उनकी भाषा थी कि मुसलमानों से खतरा है, और ये हिंदू, इसको हिंदू राष्ट्र घोषित करना है, मुसलमानों को जाना पड़े, इस तरीके की लाइक लैंग्वेज दे हैड.
In one of your tweets you have written that they also call you jihadi.
Yeah.
What were the other things that they told you?
I mean, they asked me for my Aadhaar card. As soon as they read कि एड्रेस में कि जामिया नगर, सो दे वर लाइक कि ये तो जामिया नगर से है, जामिया से है, जिहादी है. उन्होंने रिपीटेडली दे कॉल्ड अस, मुसलमान है, जिहादी है. और उसके बाद दे सेड कि मैंने कहा कि भाई प्रेस कार्ड देख लो, सी माई प्रेस कार्ड. दे वर लाइक इट डजंट, मतलब कि ये मैटर ही नहीं करता है, ये मुसलमान है, मतलब फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, ये मुसलमान है, ये बोला.
तो प्रोफेशनल आइडेंटिटी उनके लिए मैटर
नहीं, I was a Muslim for them. My profession, I mean, they were considering me as a Muslim. I had, rather than a journalist. So I was like any other Muslim for them at that point of time.
You told me that वहाँ पे पुलिस वाले भी थे, सब लोग थे. When they were doing all this to you, आपने कोशिश की उनसे कि आप पुलिस वालों के पास जाएं?
जाने ही नहीं, like police, these people, they hit me on my back, they hit me on my arm. And this guy, when he was seeing my press card, वो बोला कि भाई क्यों देख रहे हो, इनको तो मार दो, इनको मार दो, beat them up.
Who said this?
A very young person, he was standing right behind me. He said to one of the guys who was seeing my Aadhaar card, देखो ही मत, मार दो इनको.
He was from the audience.
हाँ, he was from the audience, and police was there. I mean, I don't know. I felt कि अगर हम बोलेंगे तो पता नहीं, क्योंकि पुलिस तो देख रही थी, they weren't doing anything. We didn't know कि अगर हम पुलिस को आवाज़ भी लगाएंगे तो पता चला उल्टा. And police, when two female police personnel came to us, and when they were trying to intervene, they didn't allow them. उनको भगा सा दिया, तो they went away. So they hit a police personnel.
किस मोमेंट पे जो है पुलिस ने आके, मतलब आपको या तो उन्होंने बचाने की कोशिश की, क्या किया पुलिस ने जब पुलिस को पता चला कि इस तरीके की चीज़ें हो रही हैं यहाँ पे इस महापंचायत में, किस मोमेंट पे वो लोग आए एंड व्हाट पुलिस डिड फाइनली?
So when I was being beaten up, so these two people in plain uniform, plain clothes, they come to us, they hold my hand, they take me away forcefully. I didn't know who they were. I kept asking this guy कि भाई कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो, कौन हो तुम? I thought कि he is maybe from the right wing organization and he is taking me to a secluded place to beat me or lynch me. So, and this group was continuously following us. They were sprinting at us. ठीक है, they were like 70-80 guys at least, and they were raising the slogans Jai Shri Ram and ये वो, and they were, and this guy then puts me into the van, in the police van. उसके बाद वो साइड में हमारे बैठते हैं. Then this journalist Meghnad from Quint, he comes running, he sits, and then this fellow from the right wing organizations, he gets into the van, Aadha, he punches that police personnel, he punches him, ठीक है, एंड ही पिक्स एंड ही मतलब उसका कॉलर पकड़ता है एंड ही ट्राइज टू ड्रैग हिम आउट ऑफ, देन ही सेज कि भाई मैं पुलिस वाला हूँ, मुझे मत मारो. देन दिस राइट विंग वाला पर्सन गोज टू द फ्रंट साइड ऑफ द कार, वहाँ अ पुलिस पर्सनल इज देयर इन यूनिफॉर्म, ही टेल्स हिम इनको लेके जाओ, कार्रवाई करो, हम पीछे से आते हैं. एंड द पुलिस पर्सन डिडंट से एनीथिंग एंड दे हैड सराउंडेड द कार पूरा कंप्लीटली.
कब तक उन्होंने आपको मतलब वहाँ रखा पुलिस स्टेशन में, और फिर कब और क्यों छोड़ दिया उन्होंने?
बेसिकली पुलिस स्टेशन में हमें रखा इन द सेंस they took us there. After some time they were like you can leave now. We were like कि we fear for our lives कि मतलब what if they are waiting outside for us, तो उस टाइम क्या होगा. So they gave us 2 police escorts, police cars to escort us to Noida, and we were on our way some 1 kilometer from the police station. Then we get a call कि come back to the police station. So we were called back to file statements, to write statements. ठीक है, उसके बाद FIR हमने कराई, उसमें बहुत टाइम लगा. द पुलिस स्टॉल्ड इट पूरा, लाइक बहुत धीरे धीरे प्रोसेस किया एवरीथिंग, एंड इट वाज वी गॉट आवर MLCs डन एट अ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, एंड इट वाज एट 12:40 or 12:45 in night, at night. We got to the police station at 2 p.m. and it was at 12 at night, 12:45 at night that we left the police station.
पुलिस ने आपकी फाइनली FIR दर्ज की?
Yes, they have filed an FIR. They have filed an FIR in the case. So based on our complaints. So they, yeah.
What will be your legal process from now?
So the lawyers are handling it, and we'll be of course taking this forward legally, so that these people need to be punished who did this to us, and we'll pursue this so that something like this doesn't happen to any other journalist or any other person.
Achha, you know that what is happening around. What was the reaction of police once you were beaten there, and also सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स का या और भी कोर्ट्स की किस तरीके के डिसीजन रहते हैं माइनॉरिटीज़ को लेकर भी और मुस्लिम्स को लेकर भी. तो आपको लगता है कि इफ़ यू आर अप्रोचिंग और इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अ लीगल एक्शन, विल दैट बी ऑफ एनी हेल्प?
I don't know. I mean, like, I've kind of felt stupid वैसे, to be frank, because these guys, the last time they made hate speech, so they were released, and I remember I went to file an FIR against them previously, and I was detained for that. And we have seen, like in Uttarakhand also, in the Haridwar hate speech incident also, they were released. So we know, nothing will probably come out of it, but we can't stop trying.
So there is this one last question. People on social media and other people are also saying that ये मुस्लिम जर्नलिस्ट हैं, इनको पता था किस तरह की चीज़ें वहाँ पर होने वाली हैं, और इस तरीके के इंसिडेंट्स पहले भी हुए हैं. सिर्फ मुस्लिम ही नहीं, जो ऑल्टरनेट मीडिया के जर्नलिस्ट हैं उनको भी टारगेट किया जाता है. पिछली बार भी ऐसा हुआ था, तो आपको उस बारे में क्या कहना है?
So basically I am a Muslim and a journalist, so I have this dual identity, and I can't leave my identities behind, right? So I went there as a journalist to cover something that needs to come out, something that the mainstream media won't talk about, because they have kind of consolidated behind BJP and the right wing, so they are kind of supporting that agenda. So you can't expect them to show something like this. So the alternate media, it becomes all the more important that we go and we cover this, we show to the world, we show to people what is happening, and something like this is happening in Delhi in just over a year, in not even a year, it's not been a year completely, and this is happening. Permission was denied by the police, and still something like this is happening. So I mean, of course there is a danger, but that doesn't mean that we'll stop working. I know, but I never thought कि मतलब they इस तरीके से डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे कि भाई जर्नलिस्ट होने का कुछ मैटर ही नहीं करता, यू आर जस्ट अ मुस्लिम टू देम, एन ऑर्डिनरी मुस्लिम, हर मुसलमान की तरह आपको भी मार देंगे. दे डोंट हैव फियर, उनको जर्नलिस्ट का फियर नहीं, उनको पुलिस का फियर नहीं. दिस क्लियरली शोज दैट दे आरंट अफ्रेड ऑफ एनीथिंग.
Why do you think
they have the state impunity. They have the state backs them. If the state stops backing them, then these people will be in jail. 101% I'm sure they'll be in jail. So the state is backing them.